Good morning. It is Sunday, May 10th. Welcome back. So yesterday we finished off with section 19 in functions. So go ahead and complete that. And then when you go to the next lesson, it's called Taking a Vacation, and it applies what we know. There's nothing really new in there, or at least not much that's new, but you do put things together. You will learn a lot from this second part on creating a vacation function in Python. So go through it, and you want to upload both when they're finished. So when I click at the top and I scroll down and I expand chapter 4, I see yellow check marks on both function and taking a vacation. So at this point, once those two sections are done for chapter 4, we're going to go ahead and bring up WordPad. We're going to copy and, oops, I forgot to do a print screen. So we're going to come back, press print screen on your keyboard, and paste that into WordPad with both yellow check marks in there. At any point, if you're stuck on anything, please send me an email and we'll work through it together. So if you go to the assignment in your TICFP, okay, you'll see, you'll find the instructions right there, and just follow those instructions, upload those, and then we can start on the next chapter.